Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble small electronics Chinese Christmas tree. For this we will need one multimeter, simple soldering iron, and that's it. Let's see what we have inside this box. We have some drawing, we have 3 printed boards, we have one battery holder, we have one adapter from USB, we can supply from USB. We have 13 resistors, we have 39 LED diodes, we have some capacitors and of course transistors. Okay, let's start. On the printed board you can see some numbers: CTR 30A, CTR 30B and CTR 30C. On the drawing you can see all parts which must be mounted on each board: A, B and C. I have planned to start from the first board, A. Following diagram, we need to find first resistor, 330 ohms. It's here. Let's have a look where is R6 located. Here is. Next one, 1 kilo ohm. R4. Next one, R2, 2 kilo ohms. It's here. And remain R1, R3, R5, R7 by 10 kilo ohm each. Okay, let's solder one by one then. Okay, we are ready with resistors. Let's cut this part of wire. Okay, now we can install these transistors. You have marks here for transistors. We need to install 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. When you make sure that from opposite side everything is soldered well, we can cut these parts. Okay, now we can continue with capacitor. We're supposed to install here few capacitor. Okay, now we can start install LED. I will put it in random. Also very important to know, long leg it's a plus. Always make sure that well done from the both sides. Let's proceed now with second part. I will do it right opposite. Let's continue with side B. Generally we need to do the same. I'm going to start from resistors and then transistors and capacitors. Same like we did before. Okay, now we can continue with transistors. Same like before. Okay, now it's time to install capacitors, 3 pieces. Just don't forget to follow polarity and everything will be fine. Okay, now remain to install LED diodes. Also follow polarity. Now time to cut. This is the time now to start assemble these two parts on the base. Also very important to follow polarity, plus and minus. Here also written plus and minus. Just follow it. And we need to solder it. Something like this must be. Now let us install second part. Also we need follow polarity. Plus to plus, minus to minus. We have almost ready. A little bit more and we start. I didn't show you how I install push button. Now remain only to install battery holder and we can test it. And remain to connect plus and minus. And on the end, supposed to have something similar with this one. We are ready to test. Just need to install one battery. Here we go. Wow. Amazing. Thank you for watching this movie. Subscribe for our channel, press like and share with your friends. Like this device we assembled today. Write in the comment what you like to assemble else. That's it. Goodbye.